Alright folks, and here we have the winner of the Ford channel, Boosted 970. Seems to have a nice little Subaru legacy here. Got some good stuff going on. That's the winner of the 75.4. If you didn't win, don't feel like a piece of shit. There'll be more giveaways coming up. Don't fucking cry and unsubscribe. There's more coming, so just stay tuned. But those are the two winners, Landon Sellers and Boosted 970. You guys stay tuned for more giveaways. Don't be butthurt and go fuck yourself. Alright, stay sexy, YouTube.
Oh, thanks, Twisted, for giving me the chance to sign up and win. Like I say, congratulations to Sellers for winning the 900. And everybody else that signed up for contest, just keep trying. It's been a long road, and it's nothing I really expected. See if I can get this here to work here real quick. As you can see with some of my older videos, I was real heavy in the car audio. And sad to say, the transmission in my Jeep went out, so I had to sell everything. And then my Lincoln got totaled. And now I have a first generation turbo Subaru station wagon. You know, it's not fancy, but it's mode transportation, and it does have some goodies. And soon to have a very nice amp. Thanks again, Twisted. And if other people want to subscribe to my channel, please do. It's Boosted 970. Thanks.